Point P, -6 and 1, and point Q, 6 and 6, are the two ends of the diameter of a given cycle. Calculate the radius. We have option A to option D. Solution. The distance, we know that the distance between the points as given in the equation, points P and Q, is equals to the diameter of the cycle. So that is what we were given from the equation. Now, if that is true, we know that the distance of a point PQ, like in this case now, point PQ, so for line PQ, distance between this line PQ, which is diameter, is equals to x2 minus x1 all square minus y2 minus y1. Okay, this is plus, not minus, square, 1 square. So we have that. That is what we have as the formula. Now, from this place, we were given 2 points. Look at the points, point 1, which is point P, and point Q. Now, from here, our x1 is equals to -6, and our x2 here is 6. This x2, x1. This is y1, this is y2. So our y1 is equals to 1, and our y2 is equals to 6. So we have that 6. So that is what we have there. So that is what has been given to us. So I'm just going to substitute all this into this formula and we are good to go. So line PQ, which is the distance as well as the diameter, is equals to, so let's substitute what we have. Now x2 is 6, so that is 6 minus, there is x1 which is -6, so -6, and everything is squared, so plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 1, so we have that all squared. So we have this, so 6 minus is plus, so 6 plus 6 is 12, so we have 12 square plus 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, so we have 5 square, and this is equals to, we know that 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25, and everything here is equals to 169. Now our PQ, our line PQ, this is line PQ square. So for us to remove square, we take the square root of what we have, square root of 169, and square root of 169 is 13. So this is 13 units. We're not given any units, so we just use units. If you check the option, is units. Now this is the diameter of that point, not the radius, because we're asked to calculate the radius and not the diameter. So we have gotten the diameter. Don't forget that diameter of a cycle is 2 times the radius, 2 times radius. So that is to say that our PQ is equals to 2 times the radius. We already know that our PQ is 13. This 13 equals to 2R. So let me divide this into 2 and use part of it. Now, if I divide both sides by 2, let's say we are dividing here by 2, dividing here by 2, divide the both sides by 2, we'll be left with 13 divided by 2 is 6.5, and this is equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1 times R, we have R. Therefore, we can say that our R is equals to 6.5 units. So that is our R, and the R we are talking about there is the radius. So That is the radius we were asked to calculate. And if you check through the options, you find out that the correct answer to this question is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question.